Ooh la la, what an absolutely fabulous deluxe suite room this really was. So there's the bed. I'm just going to give you a quick flick around first of all, just so you can see. I'll just walk you through to the bathroom. Okay, so the TV does have Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube. It is a smart TV, however. Good evening from Pattaya, Thailand. So it's New Year's Eve here in Pattaya, and I want to take this opportunity to wish all of my subscribers and viewers a Happy New Year 2026, and I hope you've had a wonderful festive Christmas period also. So featured in today's video is going to be my next hotel accommodation stay, which is at a place called Oasis Suites. It's a one-night stay in a deluxe suite room type. Now Oasis Suites is like a home away from home style accommodation. It's an apartment style accommodation, a very big spacious apartment at that. Like I say, I'm just going to be staying here one night. There's a dining table and chairs provided. There's a big kitchen area. It's a huge bathroom also, featuring a bathtub and a separate shower. So I'm going to give you a full tour of the apartment style accommodation I'm going to be staying at here at Oasis Suites. I think there's only 4 in total in the actual complex itself available on Agoda. I'm staying in room number 3, which I think is sort of like the top of all of the accommodations at Oasis Suites. Now regarding the location, it's a premium location located just off the very popular street of Soi Buakhao, where you'll find many restaurants, shops, lots of nightlife also available on the street, bars, restaurants, you name it, you'll find it all on the street of Soi Buakhao. You're not too far also away from the central Pattaya shopping mall, not too far away from many of the other popular soy streets as well, within easy walking distance from the accommodation itself. Pattaya Beach is also within walking distance, a little bit of a probably about 1.6 kilometre walk to the very popular nightlife street of Walking Street. All in all, it has a really great location here in Pattaya. So without any further ado, let's go and get started and share with you Oasis Suites here in Pattaya. Okay, so here's a full front view of the accommodation I'm going to be staying at for New Year's Eve, Oasis Suites. I'm right up on the top floor there. Looks like a relatively quiet street. There's some restaurants and some bars on the street. This direction would just be to Soi Buakhao. So it looks as though it's under construction here at the beginning. So here's the name, Oasis Suites. The door is actually open. There is a keypad on it. However, there's no key to open. You just walk in on the stairs. And then we have another flight of stairs. I think this is one of the rooms here, maybe. And then just round here is the room where I'm staying, number 3. Okay, so here's my room at Oasis Suites. This is a deluxe suite room. This is the very top level here. This is number 3 that I'm going to be staying in. It's a key pin activation, a 4 key pin activation to open the door. And here's the stairs leading to the apartment. So there's the bed. I'm just going to give you a quick flick around first of all, just so you can see. I'll just walk you through to the bathroom. Okay, we'll start over at the bed area first of all. Go hit right in the middle. So as soon as we step foot inside the room, I think it's a king or queen size bed. We have bedside tables either side, bedside lighting either side, plug sockets either side. Very nicely done actually. So there's our window. Also can act as a balcony. There is a balcony, air conditioning up above there. Let me just show you this first. So it is a window. There's a balcony there. You could step foot out of the window onto the balcony. And then just from a window, let's show you the bedside table. So it's a metal bedside table, twin power sockets there, and a lamp as well, lighting up above also. Some nice decoration in the middle there, the deer with gold horns. Just coming down to the bed, immaculately clean bedding. There's another angle on your bed. So it's a roller down blind over the window slash balcony. That's what it looks like. Okay, so directly opposite the bed in the corner by the balcony window, we have a double wardrobe. We have 2 fold down areas for your suitcases there. There is an ironing board as well, I shall show you that. Desk, dressing table area, mirror, TV to the lounge. Let's show you in here. So you have mirrors on these as well. With opening doors on all the wardrobes here. So you have some shelving, metal rail shelving in the bottom there. So on this side you have shelving in the top, metal rail, many plastic coat hangers there. Safety deposit box, iron. Have a drawer there, presume what's that? That's what the keys are for. There's your wardrobe. Okay, so just from a wardrobe on the other side of the bed now, and another angle on the bed, just show you here. So you have another bedside metal table here. Those are only light switches. You've got 1 plug socket here for your lamp. Exactly the same up above there, lighting. It's down to the bed. Immaculately clean on the bedding. And then we just turn around now. Okay, so you do have an iron in the wardrobe, you have an ironing board there. Fold down for your suitcases there. A little desk dressing table area here. Little roller chair with a soft cushion top. Twin power socket there. Mirror as well, a big mirror there also. Just there we have our TV. It is a smart TV. Nice area down there as well with some plant decoration. Just show you the control to the TV. It's a Samsung TV. There's your control. There's another angle on your TV. Okay, so the TV does have Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube. It is a smart TV. However, you do have to have your own subscription to access any of those. So the Prime Video is available here on the TV at Oasis Suites. Okay, so just turn around. Has a look at your nice decorative light fitting up in the ceiling there. A sofa seating area here. It's a leather sofa. A lamp in the corner there. Coffee table here. Nice beanbag seating area there also. Very nice. Okay, so we'll head back to the towards the kitchen and bathroom area now. Have a beautiful decorative light fitting up above there. Wow, look at that. Very, very unique. There's a kitchen out there, table and chairs, and then just here, so there's a little standing lamp, a little seating area here. Some tissues, not sure what the crocodile is, some little decoration there. Just pulling out, we have a waste basket there. A fridge freezer here. Some ice in there, not sure whether that's been left or whether they provide it. Very clean, immaculately clean inside the refrigerator. 2 bottles of aqua provided. Nice. A little 4-seater dining table and chairs here. Wow, very nice. And then just onto the kitchen, have a collection of cabinets underneath. Microwave oven here. It's a Sharp electric power point up above there. Have a Nescafe Dolce Gusto coffee maker here. 2 pods provided. Little stand there. Electric kettle. Tea towel. Power points there also. Dish rack. Plates, dishes provided there. Look inside our sink, nice and clean. Some clean on the fixtures and fittings, tiled around. There's the kitchen area. Okay, so we've just opened the cabinet so we can see what's available. So we have some dishes, some different plates there, 2 sizes of different plates available. Some there also. A collection of glasses and cups in there. Spoons and forks, don't see any knives. Okay, so just from our beautiful kitchen area now, take you into the bathroom. So you have your light switch on the wall here for your bathroom. It's like a wooden door. I'll take you and turn this way first of all. So there's a toilet, wash basin. Bum wash on the wall there. Toilet roll holder. There's a wash basin. Soap tray. Tap, beaker. Tiled surface on the back. Mirror behind there. Twin power socket on the wall. Just to the side here we have a little stand with some towels and things on. 2 towels, face cloth on the ring there. On the shelf up here, 2 toilet rolls. Looks like toothbrush and soap there. Have a hairdryer in here. There's your hairdryer. And just to the side of a shelving we have a towel rack rail there on the wall. Actually folds up. Waste basket down in the base. A bathtub here. Nice tile finish around the bathtub. Immaculately clean inside of there. Immaculately clean on the fixtures and fittings. Very nice. And just in the back here we have a shower also. The ceiling of lighting. There's another one above me, light. So we have a overhead rain shower, handheld shower. There's our electric box on the side there. Some conditioner, shampoo, body wash. Looks as though they haven't been replaced them since the last guest. Relatively clean on the surface there. Nice and clean on the floor. You have a mat there. There's a bathroom. Nice. Okay, so I just want to show you, so with the blind closed and no natural light, it's very, very dim lighting. Full lights are on in here now, but it's very, very dim lighting all throughout. That's maximum lighting in the kitchen, you can see up above there. Very, very dim. So I just want to bring this to your attention. So the actual entrance to the apartment here at Oasis Suites, there is actually no door whatsoever. This is the night time now. I think it should have a door for extra security. Okay, so that concludes today's video. My New Year's Eve accommodation stay here in Pattaya, Thailand at Oasis Suites. So what are my final thoughts? Ooh la la, what an absolutely fabulous deluxe suite room this really was. So I shall start in and around the bed area. Well, I shall actually start with the apartment itself. Absolutely huge, spacious apartment. You had the bed area, you had the living room area, you had the dining room table and chairs, the kitchen area, huge bathroom featuring a bathtub and separate shower also. So back to in and around the bed area, I think it was a king-size bed, nice and comfortable bedding, super clean sheets, bedside tables either side, bedside lighting either side, plug sockets either side of the bed, just how any good accommodation should offer you a sleeping area in any hotel or accommodation type that you may be staying at here in Pattaya. Big thumbs up to me in and around the bed area. Now, one of the only issues that I do have here, there is obviously a window over nearby the bed. That should be a sliding door because you do have a balcony. It would be nice to have that as a sliding door. You can actually step out of the window, but you would have to step over the height of the wall of the around the window. That really should be a opening sliding door so you can get access to the balcony. Onto the wardrobe, we have a double wardrobe, safety deposit box in there, plenty of coat hangers provided, which is nice to see because many places only provide 4 or 5 coat hangers. Those staying for any length of time, which you probably could be doing here with it being an apartment style accommodation. Maybe you like to hang your clothes up, plenty of coat hangers in there. Had the ironing board, 2 areas as well to put 2 suitcases out, so it's a 2-person apartment. So again, catered for everybody's needs there. You had the little dressing table area. That was actually too small to use for a laptop. I used the area back where the stools are next to the refrigerator, the little table area there. That was better for me. There's more space on that area there to use for the laptop. You had the dressing style mirror by the side of the dressing table. Had the leather sofa, TV, Prime Video is available on the TV. It was a smart TV. Netflix is available if you've got your own password and code. And then into the kitchen, you had a four-seated dining room table and chairs, kitchen area. With some dishes and plates and things. That's another one of the downsides for me. There should be at least a electric hob top and some pots and pans. Again, it's an apartment style accommodation, so it should be offering like a home away from home. I mean, it could even have, to be honest, it could, because of the size of the kitchen, it could actually have an oven and a washing machine as well, and that would make this place really, really complete. If it had an oven, a electric hob and a washing machine, this to me would be an absolutely perfect apartment. So into the bathroom. So the bathroom, absolutely huge bathroom, separate bathtub, shower in there, your wash basin of course as well, a few amenities provided, just a really, really nice spacious bathroom, good pressure on the water, plenty of hot water as well, no issues whatsoever in the bathroom. And onto the location, premium location, just off the side street of Soy Bacau. So you have access to many restaurants, nightlife, not too far away from Central Pattaya Shopping Mall, not too far away from Pattaya Beach. Absolutely fabulous location. All in all, I would highly recommend that anybody that's looking for a home away from home, apartment style accommodation in Pattaya, to give consideration to Oasis Suites. So on that note, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Hope some of you find this video useful, and I wish you all a happy new year 2026, and I shall say bye for now.